Hi guys, Josh here. I'll be going over resource types with you right now. So in ARCS, a resource is defined as a digital representation of a single physical piece in a research collection. For Isthmia, resources can have several different types. They can have notebooks, notebook pages, photographs, reports, drawings, maps, and inventory cards. Let's take a look at a notebook. Right, so notebook pages are page spreads of a notebook. And as you can see in the viewer here, they're seen within the context of the notebook that they're part of. So you can kind of browse around. You're basically actually going through um, as if you were flipping through a notebook, right? So notebooks have anything from handwritten reports to pasted photographs to inventory or to sketches. Let's see if yeah. So we have sketches here. You can also have maps like on this page, right? So you have hand rendered maps as you're going through. Let's take a look at a photograph. So photographs have two types. They have scene and object. For example, this is a scene, and scenes are establishing shots of an area giving context. A lot of times, scene photographs document trenches or something like that, which are usually pretty helpful when you're looking at the maps drawn into notebooks. So if we go back to search, we'll take a look at the object photographs, right? So object photographs are photographs of noteworthy artifacts, right? So these are taken in a studio environment against a black background with a ruler of some sort. Let's take a look at inventory cards. Right, so inventory cards are Isthmia's way of keeping track of artifacts that archaeologists pull out of the dig. They document the size, the shape, and significance, and any other archival data of an artifact that they're trying to save. These cards generally hold a pasted photograph and/or a detailed sketch. So we can see you have photographs and notes here. This one's been pretty annotated, but you can also see ones where they have a detailed sketch and a photo. And this is on the front, and then usually on the back there's some sort of annotated bibliography talking about where this was used um, in publications. Right. So let's take a look at. Let's take a look at reports. Right. So reports are weekly and yearly accounts of the happenings of the dig. They're generally typed documents without drawings or photographs. They do, however, include references to the artifacts and photographs and areas of the dig that can be related back to inventory cards and maps and such. Eventually, this view will actually be closer to the viewer that you saw for notebook pages, but for right now, this is what we got. Alright, let's look at a map real quick. Right, so maps are, well, I mean, they're maps. They're areas of the Isthmia dig. Generally, these maps are either CAD or otherwise vectored drawings of anything from trenches, like this guy, to the whole dig site, right? So you see the whole dig site, and it's got some topography. Wonderful. Okay. Alright, well, thanks guys. This has been Josh, and these are resources.